Hello and welcome everybody. AMC stock on 27 November. So let's start step by step with easy price prediction, explain it, and according to what we want to hear. If we return it back for one day, this goes to give us such a simple thing on AMC. But if we want to change this movements that happens from one day to 1 week, this goes to be a second thing that is going to be very different because this made the size of the wave is smaller here. And if we return it for one day, this goes to be wideness enlargement. If you here, okay, divided by 7 gives you this wave size, and that is actually what we want to see, that AMC has out of parties that decreases in momentum more than the parties that has red green candles. That what we wanted to say to explain the AMC entertainment holdings stock. Hold you benefit from what we saw on this video, and would look in another episode of the price prediction on AMC.